Yep, let's have to be sure everything's okay. Yep, everything's a-okay. We're all healed up. Is it, is it really? It is 32? Wow! I thought it was more. But I guess it's this one specific. So what do you have? Sniper, has an M60, shotgun. Sure. Hmm. Right. Yeah, I'll take this one as well. Might as well. Let's get out of here then. We're good there. Alright. Bang. 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 Alright, let me just
We're not going any further on this
say it.
road.
This level is very notorious for all the witches to be spawned here. So, if you see a lot of witches, there's a reason for it.
In here.
Deep bib.
Defibrillator here.
Yeah, there's just two sets of them surprisingly here. Hold on.
Think I heard a boomer. Ah! I can't see shit.
I just saw it reacted like a double down. He wants somebody. Starts here.
Watch out! Sky black as pitch. Reloading. Reloading.
Alright,
I'm
there
on
is
here.
that, so I can just...
Reloading.
I'll leave pipe on there just in case, but for now I'm just gonna keep going. I always go to this room specifically so I can just get the zombies coming. Don't want to worry about witches as much. We have protection. Always keep going. No.
Reloading.
Where is it? Oh, if you see any movement being tilted by your camera, it's your own teammates shooting you. Just that by technicality they don't do like friendly fire like, at all. Which is great. Also, four.
Christ in a handbasket. Oh, I'm on two.
Alright, I'll wait it out.
Reloading.
Yep, chill in the corner and wait. It's nothing else we can do, just chill in the corner. What else we
Reload.
got in here? Boom. Ammo. Pills. I'll keep it for now. Okay, we're good from there. We should be fine. Keyword should. Yep, I saw that. What's that? Hardwired Chica.
Up that ramp.
Oh, one more shot like a fool. Now, I want to achievement. So, there is an achievement for this, for like chargers specifically, or like they charge at you and then you swing at it with a melee weapon, you get it. Some weapons can do it, not all of them, just some can. Gotta recover.
Weapons over here.
Not to represent my buddy, the CSGO knife.
Next round's on. Getting the hang of this, Alex.
Cool, which is on standby, holy. Alright, here I go. Alright, so I'm gonna... Come on, gotta get out of here. Yes, there is a lot for a reason. Rochelle, Rochelle, Rochelle. Thank you. I mean, dark vision, bro. Reload my gun. Alright, go around here quickly.
We are in for a nasty damn storm.
Charger! We got a charger!
Adrenaline shot here.
That's adrenaline. I'm good from there. We should be fine here. Not much is gonna happen. I missed my knife. Alright, cool.
Up here.
Where is it? Oh, he's on the high ground. Okay. Alright, cool. Step one, be on the low ground. Because he was on the high ground, he just heard us.
Shoot the tongue! Hell yeah! Time to move, let's go!
Yep, I figured. How much we can say, dude.
Look out now!
Alright, we're good. We're good. We're very good.
I hear Hunter.
Alright, we're good. I was gonna use that, but I guess not. Alright. Where's Witch at for this one? I'm sad. We just have to reborn the monster and she's okay.
Pills.
There's more pills. Tank coach.
Hey, I'm a reload.
Okay, cool.
Damn witches in this place. The last time
I
I
hit
saw
it.
Right there. Right, cool. Yeah, we just take a corner and just turn. Chilling. Make it as quick as possible.
Nice.
Alright, cheers. Chilling. Someone remember their hitboxes. Holy shit. Not all of them, just some. Jesus, like better like computer comps like on in here. It's nice and all, but like
Hey, I'm a reload.
ouch. Wait, hold on.
Nice.
Up.
Dude.
Ouch. So just chilling for just
Hey, look out.
continue to shoot. Where is it? Where's the dang bug? There it is. Jeez. That's good. Alright, cool. Jeez, I'm low on ammo. Go on. Help as well. I hope we're okay.
Gotta keep it for a bit.
Thanks, buddy.
Much obliged.
I need some help.
Hello! Oh shit!
Jesus. Shaker.
Oh man,
Sorry, we got
I
it.
don't like to see you like this.
Disclaimer,
Come on now.
don't
Yeah, let
shake
me
your
help you up.
Kamaoshi or Yoshis.
We're cool.
I want you to
take
have
that.
this.
Hold up.
Up.
Healing. Thanks.
Where is he? I don't see him. Where is he?
Oh yeah.
Keep moving. Just head for the side.
Yeah, just keep going. Ah! Back to zero. I need a light.
Thanks, Nick. I'm on my way.
What have you gone and done now?
Right, you're that correctly.
Thanks.
Alright, I'll go my way. Got it. Come on, please.
Reloading.
Whole lot of witches.
18 bullets.
It says here the gas is inside. Hey,
Alright,
there's
cool.
gas in the safe room.
Yeah. Alright, cool. I think I'll carry.
Close the door. Let's
Something.
get. Man, we learned your asses.
Noted. Carry a defib. Noted. Jeez. Okay. Time to start next.